'Cause I know, and you know what we could be. Like a song, like a perfect melody. Baby, don't say you don't believe in me. 'Cause you know, and I know, we're onto something good. You know, and I know, we got something good.
We are having dinner tonight at California Grill. And look how dapper my boys look.
Hi.
Look how dapper my husband looks.
Honey.
And look how pretty I look. Yay! Let's eat some good food. Or as Michael would say, some overpriced food.
You're paying for the environment, not the food here.
No, the food is okay too.
Let me go.
A few minutes early for our dinner, and we actually came up to BVG. And look, they have an Easter egg here. That's so cute. I want to see if they have more around here. But let's go and shop first. Kids are reminding me they used to, when they were little, used to go back there. Oh, is there stuff back there now?
Like Disney or like Christmas decorations.
Oh, they have it all stashed. The kids used to like, when they were little, like just run around this like little section. Oh yeah. They have a lot of like vineyard vine stuff in here. They've always had like really cute like Tommy Bahama things. Oh, they're playing eye to eye. Oh, that's pretty. Of course it is, 148 bucks. Why do I have expensive taste? Oh, here's the jacket to that.
You gotta get it.
No, I don't need it. It's like a little hooded jacket to the shorts that I got earlier. You're trying to find a new place to hide?
I mean, now
Oh, that's a cute beach bag too. Oh, you want to show me?
You can fit yours.
I can fit back there? Oh, yep, you can. No, no, come on.
Since like the way that it's like built, it'll always be like
Yep.
they can never push it back.
Yeah.
Once they do that.
You overpack.
I'll put.
Oh. We did the check-in on the app and it just said our table's ready. So let's go upstairs to California Grill. Actually, we have to go downstairs to go upstairs. Like that one movie where he's like, I go into the out, I go down to the up. I can walk on the outside because they have Easter eggs out here, honey. Thought I saw another Easter egg in here. As the one, oh yeah, here. Look how cute.
What is that for?
Mike being silly.
What is that for?
These are all the Easter eggs that they make. They're like
Where does he
pastries.
find
This
them?
looks like the balloon popcorn buckets. Mickey balloon popcorn bucket. Oh yeah, duh, there's popcorn on the bottom. Oh, we are ready.
Yes, you're decently dressed.
They let us go up by ourselves now. Listen. Oh, I think they.
Fourth floor. 15th floor.
Well, before they would pack this up too, like wait for like groups at a time.
They're really smart.
Yeah. Let's listen what he says.
15th floor.
Oh, it's Minnie. That's right. I always forget.
Going down is like
We got a good table. What you say, Michael?
Yes.
Yeah, we're like perfect view. It's actually looking very cotton candy more on the screen than it is in person, I think, but yeah, great. So this menu is still a prix, and then they have some wine pairing options if you want to, but you get to pick one from every section for your dinner. So I'm going to look at the drink menu and get some drink, and then we'll figure out food in a little bit. Are you happy with the seat? Is that what you wanted to stay here so you can look at the castle? Smart. So this is the drink menu I wanted to show you. Sometimes they don't have this on here, but they actually do have the blueberry lemon drop martini. That's my favorite.
Nigiri sampler, sashimi nigiri.
I wonder if that's any good.
I don't know.
pretty. Let's see how much I can zoom in here. We got buses and monorails. There is, I know. Oh yeah, monorails over here too. Crossing. Good eye, Aaron. Castle. Big Thunder Mountain. Astro Orbiter. Okay, I think I've decided I might do the spicy, and I always forget if it's, is it Kaizen or Kaizen roll? The spicy, I don't think it's Kaizen. Or maybe it is, I don't know. I always get it wrong.
What appetizer are you getting?
I saw the Cascade roll too, but I'm not a huge like mango
Or are you going to
fan.
get a roll?
And then I'm gonna do the filet. I was thinking about maybe doing the venison. I've never had venison before, but everything that comes with it sounds really good. And then I'll take a look at dessert afterwards. Aaron got a Shirley Temple and they gave him 4 cherries. This light is so good right now on you, but you're always handsome. So Aaron has decided to try the surf and turf roll. Because we were trying to figure out what the turf was, and he said it's, what? Do you remember what he said? Wagyu beef. But just a little bit, it's like, I don't know, I think it's pretty rare, like maybe just seared a little bit around the side of the plate. So that would be good to try.
Are we ready to order?
I think when he comes over we can, yeah. I forgot I got my drink, and so did Daddy. Let's cheers. Cheers. We just got our bread service, sourdough. I know, I'm just, the kids love the butter, but I really like the sun-dried tomato with like olive oil, I think. Yeah, I'm gonna put my drink over here so that way, as you guys rummage for.
Oh yeah, it's smooth. Just give me 1 second.
Okay, try it and tell me what you think. It's the butter with the sea salt on it, right?
Oh, dude, the sea salt so.
Oh my gosh, this all looks really good. So that's a surf and turf.
Here's the steak.
It's on right there.
You can use a fork, it's fine.
Or just use your hand too. That looks good, buddy. They put it on a new, like a different plate. That's kind of cool. That looks good too. You can either put it all in or take a bite. It's customary to just shove it all in.
Like always like there. Otherwise it's gonna cross over, right?
Daddy's teaching Aaron how to use
That's hard.
chopsticks. Oh my gosh, you did it? Good job, buddy.
The key is your thumb has got to stay right. If it gets too high, it's gonna cross over.
We have moved on from the appetizers to entrees. Well, they're not served yet, but they're bringing it to us. But I was very happy with the spicy kazan roll. I get it all along, so it was exactly what it was supposed to be. A little bit of kick, it was delicious. What did you think of your meal, honey? Your surf and turf. Good, you liked it? Yeah. Mike had me try a little bit, like a slice of his pizza, the sardine. Was there not any sausage on mine? Because mine didn't have any kick to it, but it had like a butternut squash.
And I told the whole spicy sausages on it.
Oh yeah, there was supposed to be like an agave syrup or something, so he said not to put that on there, so I don't know what that would taste like, but I thought it was really good. It was delicious. Yeah, Tron, the canopy is all lit on Tron. Zoom in so you don't see the reflection of other people. Michael, your reflection is on the castle.
I miss this map. think the last time I
So
had
the kids got the fillets with mac and cheese and fingerling potatoes. Michael actually got the wagyu. What? Oh, kimchi. Fried rice. I thought Aaron might like that. I know. And then I got it as it is, just with the sauce on the side though. It is like really windy. I came out here on the observation deck and it's freezing. I didn't bring a sweatshirt. But I want to see happily ever after, so we've committed.
And they all live happily ever after. That's what friends are for. Some people are worth melting for. Now go, let your dreams guide you. Reach out and find your happily ever after.
The battles, the stories, the losses, and all the glory were changed by the way we live every day. Just look up and reach to the sky. We all have the courage to fly.
Seeing your beautiful face acting. Oh! What is this? The torte? Yeah. This is the spiced panna cotta. We got the white chocolate creme brulee. And Dad got the cheese and they brought us a little, is it cake or is it ice cream? It's cake. Okay, the spiced panna cotta. Delicious. If you like Christmassy things, like it has mulled wine, apples, ginger snap, crumble. It's like very fall inspired, which is weird because it's almost spring, but it's delicious. How's the chocolate, buddy? Thumbs up. You like the white cake.
Dad, say hi.
The remnants of dessert.
You got cheese.
What you get?
I got the chocolate tort.
We're on the cake you got. Torte, yeah, it is a torte.
And we got this, like free.
You got the spice. She got,
What?
she got a spice something. Willow got the creme brulee. You ever try creme brulee? Want to try it?
I know I've tried it.
Want to try it?
Okay.
You gotta get that part. That's all the sugar.
This part?
No, that what you have.
It's not blurry anymore.
What?
It's not blurry anymore. Me and Dad.
Reflection of my it's like when I took that picture of Luke a long time ago. I think we all enjoyed our dinner immensely, and we are going to call it a night. When we walk downstairs, I think they had some Easter eggs in the lobby, so if they're still out, I'll show you those. They look really cute. I know I want to get over to the Grand Floridian and see those, and I've showed you those in years past and done vlogs on those, but I guess I never realized they had these at Contemporary too, so it's wonderful.
Every single floor, so they just gonna make you say every single floor.
We could actually. Don't do that though. He'll be like 44, 10. I already saw it at dinner. You are right, it is Mickey going down and Minnie going up. I want to walk over here and see these eggs. Oh, here they are right next to Steakhouse 71. Let's see. So we have a Pride, Sunken Treasure. Oh, look, the Up House. Okay, let me zoom in. So these are all done by the Contemporary Bakery. Oh, it's even Wally. Oh my God, how cute. Wow, look at the big golden bag. Mr. Potato Head. Oh, look, it's Sally and Jack. That is so cool. I love it. All right, there are my boys. They're waiting for me. They did not want to look to see the eggs. But I'm glad I stopped because I would have never seen that one. So we are going to end the vlog here. We're going to head back to the hotel, get a good night's sleep, and get ready for the day at Magic Kingdom. So thanks so much for following along. I'll see you next time. Go live your DisGoals. Bye. Buddy, you missed it. They had a Wally and Eve one over there.